We're going to be giving away three $150,000 funded accounts.
Yeah, this is more than likely going to be L on this one. About 43 people here live.
2 L's, 250 each. Lost a little bit.
I would have made a good amount of money. I would have made more than I lost today. I tell you guys, but when you're in the moment of having to tell yourself, I don't want to take another trade, or when you're in the moment of saying, I've taken all my trades, I can't trade no more. What you over there laughing for? Good morning, everybody. I thought this was gonna be a good idea for the sunroof. I don't think so, we gotta close that bitch. But good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another video. Right now it's early, 8:15 in the morning. You know what I'm saying? We up and early, as always. I like to get up early before I trade every day. I like to at least give myself time before I wake up and hop on the charts. A lot of the time, one thing that I used to do when like developing as a trader, when I was really like getting to the point that I am now, there was a lot of times I would literally wake up at 9:30, hop on the charts and take a trade, but like within being up of 5 minutes. I would win some, I would lose some, but I feel like it was doing more negative for me than positive. So I try to be up before everything. I like to be able to kind of get my mind right, kind of get my head straight before I hop on the charts. The first thing I do, I want it to be trading, I want it to be productive, but I also need to get myself in the right mind space to even perform at the highest capabilities at that point, if that makes sense. Today, so far, I don't have nothing crazy planned as of right now. My parents are here, they're at my house right now, so I'm not gonna be doing too much recording inside the house. I'm gonna do all the trading and everything, but it won't be too much inside content. My brother is there, so I'll probably have him maybe be a cameraman at some point. But my girl gets off of work at 12 p.m. So I don't know, we're all probably gonna do something because like I said, my family's not here all the time. They're from Philadelphia. So they're not gonna be here long, they leave Friday. So we're probably gonna do stuff, but so from the span of right now till 12 o'clock, that's the time frame that I'm gonna give myself to really get all of my deep work, to get all of my main things done. For example, trade. For example, be active with the VIP Trading Network. Be active on social medias. Post on Instagram. Start getting the content for YouTube. YouTube, I'm more than likely still gonna be recording later on in the day and then still have to edit later on at night. But I say from that 12 o'clock all the way to maybe 5, 6, 7 o'clock. I don't really know what I'm gonna be doing. So the goal today is just to get everything done before and after that main time frame. Just gotta schedule the day ahead of time. That's the main thing about waking up early. A lot of people, they're not even up yet. They don't even know what they're doing yet. They don't even have no clue. But I'm already up planning for the day ahead to make sure it's gonna be a successful one. So I'll see you guys when we get back to the crib. We're gonna have a good day, get some money, and just try to change lives and get value.
Looked good in the moment. Nah, yeah, this is more than likely going to be L on this one. RIP was a good idea, nonetheless. That was cooked. Best case, this trade can play out, but I'm not trying to have a break-even trade and a loss. That wouldn't be fun, but we'll see. We got about 43 people here live. That first trade was an L, but y'all already be knowing my first trades aren't always wins. Fast L day. Ooh. Ooh, yeah. Slowly losing the coins. RIP.
Nothing crazy. 2 L's, 250 each. Lost a little bit. About 513.
Right now we in the car, you know what I'm saying? You guys saw the trades. We had 2 L's. The first trade, it sucks because we took longs on US 30 as you guys seen, and the trade ended up playing out after it stopped me out, crazily enough. If I would have been still in that trade, I would have made a good amount of money. I would have made more than I lost today, to say the least. I ended up losing about $500. It is what it is. I can make the money back in another trade. Yes, it's unfortunate that I lost 2 trades. Even though I won money the last other trades, I've had a good 2 weeks. I just hate the way I feel when I lose trades. It makes me feel like I don't know how to trade. And in reality, I know I can trade. But it's just like that mental battle where you're trying to like explain to yourself, you know what you're doing. You know how to trade. You know how to win trades. But you're not going to win every trade. You can win 1,000 trades, but that one trade you take that you lose, it feels like a stab in the heart. I don't know why. We just don't like losing, and it's something I'm personally trying to get over. I know that if I can't handle losses, I'm never going to be successful. I'm never going to be a millionaire. I'm never going to be a billionaire. How am I going to get to that level without being comfortable with losses, learning that losses are okay? And I know they are. That's something that I know. That's something I tell you guys. But when you're in the moment, of having to tell yourself, I don't want to take another trade, or when you're in the moment of saying, I've taken all my trades, I can't trade no more. That's when it gets hard, because you're like, damn, I got to end the day at an L. Damn, today was a losing day. Then you're just sitting there thinking all day, because I always tell you guys, you got to stay busy, because if you don't stay busy, you're going to do some dumb shit. Whether you're going to be thinking about the shit that happened in your trading day, whether you're going to be thinking about what could have happened, what should have happened. A lot of times you just got to move on to the next. And that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm about to go get my girl, about to roll up, and we going to the beach with the family. So I'm going to just try to keep my head straight. I know I can win trades. Just got to let it happen, let those trades come. We're going to be back tomorrow. Tomorrow we should win trades, and if we don't, it is what it is. 2 losing days, yeah, I'm going to be vivid. We're going to be giving away 3 $150,000 funded accounts. Now, you're still going to have to be able to trade, but it's going to give you the opportunity to potentially get a funding account for free. To give you guys the opportunity to trade, because we've had a couple people ask us to pass challenges from. We've had people ask us to fund their accounts. We've had people ask us to give them money so they could trade, and I'm not giving you money, no. But for the VIP members, you are people that I am willing to give you things. You are the people I am willing to give value. So with that being said, once we get to 200 members, we're going to be giving away 3 accounts. But as of right now, if you want to join the VIP Trading Network, join before the end of April, and you have the chance to win the $150,000 account. Believe in what is actually possible. You can easily pass. You can easily make money trading. You can easily make money online. Then make sure to join VIP. Don't win every day, and they see that. I'm honest with them. I'm transparent with them. They want to know how to make money trading. I don't care to make money off of them. I want to make money from the market. And that's what I'm going to teach them to do, the same exact thing. But results speak for themselves. I need the people to speak.
But this is the cheaper version of 4-1.
What?
I hope the water's not freezing.
That probably is. I don't see nobody in the water. That water probably cold. Like Patrick the Star. Got some hairy armpits too. Oh man, look at this. What you over there laughing for? Yeah, everybody can get it. Huh? Oh, this is steep. Steep. Not rolling around.
He's seafooding.
No, I agree. I agree. I agree.
Rooftop. It's like a St. Pete, but it's been improved.
They probably won't.
Do you want to do it?
I can't.
Yeah, shut up. Nah, I mean, they were drinking underage here.
I should have videoed. You videoed it. It's rum.
You said he already down there?
Download it. It's not there. No, he put it in the drink.
He poured it.
Calm water.
This shit was full of fish everywhere.
Like down here? And everybody, this is where we're gonna end the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the beach, the losses, and make sure to join the VIP Trading Network, because we are gonna be doing the giveaway. We're giving away 3 accounts, 3 150K accounts at the end of the month. So make sure you join the team. Everybody that's on the team already, you already know the value you get. So the fact that we're doing this giveaway, we're just trying to make it better. Want to grow the team, want to continue to give value, and want to continue to change people's lives every single day. I might have not won today, but I guarantee you, if you can ask any single one of those people that were in the session, I can guarantee they all learned something. They all benefited in one way, shape, or form. All 40 of us. And it's a daily, reoccurring thing. So with that being said, make sure you guys stay safe, stay productive, and I'll see you all in the next video.